The number one reason you are not generating leads a lot is you are not consistent online documenting videos. When you document videos, post videos, you are building your brand identity. People are starting to see you over and over again. That is how they can distinguish on your brand what problems you are solving based upon what you are teaching and the business you are doing. You need to identify what are your market's pain points. What do people struggle with that you struggled with? That is how you will distinguish your target market. Your target audience will basically or normally be the younger version of you. Think about the days when you wanted to start an online business, you never knew how to set up a website, automated responders, how to integrate the whole sales funnel or process, and you actually needed or had to reach out for help, for assistance, for guidance, and people showed you. This is how you build a sales funnel, an integrated, fully automated sales funnel that works on complete autopilot. Think about those days. Now your perfect customers are struggling with exactly the same thing. If you can put yourself out in the marketplace, solving problems, speaking directly to their pain points, not going general a lot, focusing solely pressing or hitting on the pain points, people will be inclined to listen to you. You are building know, like, and trust, and at the future date and time, people will be like, what is it you offering? Why you are making your content so relevant, so valuable that your offer is irresistible? People will be like, you know what, my hands are up. I need your products or service. Why? I can see this can save me time, frustration. My career path can skyrocket when I implement certain strategies, mindset principles that you are teaching on your videos that are solving or hitting on my problems that I am currently facing. And I understand you are the go to person. That is why you need to consistently, continually document content, upload content each and every single day so that people can start seeing you more and knowing your brand, and you are creating more awareness for your potential market.